Good evening, everyone. Imagine investing 100,000 rupees and gaining a massive 123,000 in just a span of 1 month. Yes, if you have invested in PNB Housing Finance back in May 2021, you would have earned this much money by now. From a low of 362 rupees, the share prices of PNB Housing Finance has gone up to 881 rupees, that is on June 7th, 2021. The market cap of the company is 14,125 crore, while the ranking is 243 of the particular share. The company commenced its operation back in 1988 November and it got listed in the exchanges only in 2016 November. Now let's go to ticker tape and see what is happening with this stock. The revenue generated by PNB Housing Finance Limited in financial year 1920 is 10.4% higher than financial year 2018-2019, and the profit had a dip of 45.76%. In financial year 2021, the revenue generation was 10% lower, while there were 43.89% gain in profits. Looking into the key metrics, PE ratio is 15.19, while the PB ratio is 1.77. While looking into the financials, we can see that over the last 5 years, market share has increased from 2.32% to 5.1%. Comparing to the industrial average of 0.64%, this company has grown over the past 5 years at a yearly rate of 27.2%. Again, looking into the industry revenue growth, over the past 5 years, revenue has grown at a yearly rate of 36.67% comparing to the industrial average of 16.47%. While looking into the holdings, we can see that the total promoter holding is 32.64% and the mutual funds is 2.08%. Domestic institutions has an investment of 1.3% and foreign institutions with 24.51% holdings, and the retail investors like us has 39.75% holdings in this particular company. Looking into last 6 months or 3 months, the total promoter holding, mutual fund holding and foreign institutional holding has been staying constant. Looking into the last 6 quarters, what we can see is there was a 50% decline in the mutual fund percentages. In December 2019, it was 4.4% and it has declined and came down to 2.0%, which makes the retail investors skeptical about investing in PNB Housing Finance. If you're looking into dividends and is investing into a company, this is not the right company for you. The cash dividend they have, PNB Housing Finance has given in 2019 is 9 rupees, 2018 is 9 rupees, and in 2017 it is 6 rupees. In 2020, there was no dividend announcements, and in 2021 till now, there are no dividend announcements. Carlyle Group has invested 3,185 crores in PNB Housing Finance, which will make them the highest shareholders of the company. The shareholdings of Carlyle Group in PNB Housing Finance is around 30%, while the holdings of Punjab National Bank in PNB Housing Finance has gone down to 20.28%. Based on the data in ticker tape, we can see that the current price is less than the intrinsic value, and also the stock has been generating better return on equity than bank FD. Looking at the entry point, we can see that this is not a good time to invest as the stock is in overbought zone. Although this is in the overbought zone, a good potential is there for the housing finance sector, and thus we recommend entering in a lower price. We have taken you through the fundamentals of PNB Housing Finance, and now you know when and where to invest. We are not SEBI registered analysts, and this is just a video for educational purposes. Please do your own analysis and understand the fundamentals of the company before investing. Please drop your comments in the comment box and we will be more than happy to help you with any of your queries. We hope you like the content. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.